Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I'm Dr. Neha. I welcome you back to my channel. As we all know that half yearly exams are going to approach really very soon. They are just at hand. It becomes very much important for us to keep on revising the syllabi of English as well. So here I am with my version of My Mother at 66. It's a poem, short poem written by Kamala Das. She is a confessional poet. She confesses a lot, but one of the most important poets of Indian English poetry. She writes poetries, and her poetries are actually very conventional, very confessional, conventional. And this poem, My Mother at 66, as the title of it says, is a confessional poem where, as a daughter, she is confessing her love towards her mother, how she feels the theme of mortality, immortality of human beings, that they age and die, is very much evident in the poem. And this poem has number of figures of speech like similes, metaphors. So let us start reading this poem, and in this one short video we will complete this poem, and in the next video we will discuss the major question and answers from the poem, from the very poem. So poem goes like this. अब एक बात मैं यहाँ पर पहले ही कह देती हूँ पोएम स्टार्ट करने से पहले ही, माई स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाटसोएवर पोएट्रीज आर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड इन योर हाफ ईयरली सिलेबाई, उनके पोएट्स के नेम पहले ही लर्न कर लीजिएगा. वेयर एवर यू आर गोइंग टू सिट एंड स्टडी फॉर योर एग्जाम्स, फॉर योर हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम, फॉर योर एनुअल एग्जाम्स, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, please make sure right there in front of your study table is the name of the poem and the poet that you should revise each and every day. There is no harm in doing so much effort for good marks. So, poem goes like this. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Here, I is the poetess herself. She is the narrator of the poem. She is the character of the poem. अब narrator और character, these are two different personalities. Narrator होता है जो poem में present होता है, वो अगर ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल पोम है तो नैरेटर हमारा ऑथर या पोएट ही होता है. बट देयर इज अ लाइन ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन पोएट, नैरेटर, स्पीकर, एंड all depends upon whether the poem is autobiographical or biographical in nature. So here we will take I as the speaker, as the poetess herself, where she says that while I was driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning को जब मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के घर से जा रही थी, कोचीन के लिए जा रही थी, I saw my mother beside me. My mother was driving me to the airport. My mother was there with me while I was driving to the airport. She was with me. And I saw her. I looked at her face, and her face was dozed, open-mouthed. Her face was ashen like that of a corpse. उनका mouth dozed था, open था, dozing था, open-mouthed था. Her face was ashen. It was weak. It was grey, like that of a corpse. Her mother has entered the last stage of her life, most probably. And her comparison with the corpse is another example of her being so much old. And this daughter, when she saw her mother, she was frightened. She was overburdened by that feeling. What feeling? That she might lose her mother very soon, and that clinges to her. But she tries to distract herself. Ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain, that pain aches her, that pain bangs in her very heart when she sees the face of her mother, that her face is dozed, open-mouthed, ashen like that of a corpse. She realizes, this is the moment of realization, where she realizes she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away. शी वॉज एज ओल्ड, शी वॉज वेरी ओल्ड. बट जैसे ही ये थॉट मेरे माइंड में आया, आई looked away. I put that thought away. मैंने उस thought को aside कर दिया and distracted myself with the things, with the articles, with the buildings and the trees that were outside the car. She looked at her mother and realized her heart ached with pain, thinking of the very fact that her mother is now old and whether or not she will be able to meet her the next time she comes to visit her mother. But soon she distracted herself. She moves from old age to young age. There is this shift from oscillation. There is shift from the old age to the young age. She distracts herself. She puts that thought away and looks outside and looks at the young trees sprinting. How trees were moving behind as the car was moving ahead. The merry children spilling out of their homes. खुशी नुमा बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे कैसे अपने घरों से बाहर आकर के खेल रहे हैं. बट आफ्टर, और ऐसे ही देखते हुए, इस थॉट के बीच में ड्विंडल करते हुए, शी रीचेज द एयरपोर्ट एंड एज शी रीचेज द एयरपोर्ट एंड द सिक्योरिटी चेक इज डन, शी वॉज स्टैंडिंग अ फ्यू यार्ड्स अवे फ्रॉम हर मदर. I looked again at her. मैंने दोबारा से उन्हें देखा. That thought came back in my mind. I looked at her again, worn, pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache. हर चाइल्ड को अपने मदर को लूज कर देने का डर, कहीं ना कहीं स्टिग्मा अपने अंदर होता है, बिकॉज दे क्लिंज टू देयर मदर राइट फ्रॉम द वेरी टाइम दे एंटर दिस वर्ल्ड. एंड दैट इज वाई लुकिंग एट हर मदर एट such a juncture of human age, that familiar ache of losing her mother comes back again. And he compares, first of all, she compared her mother's face with ashen like that of a corpse, and now she compared her mother with late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile, smile and smile. This smile, the repetition of word smile, is satirical here. Here it conveys hope that she will soon meet her mother. Smile here is a suppression of the very thought that her mother is now old and whether or not she might be able to meet her again or not. But this smile, repetition of the word smile, connotes to the hope that she still hopes that when she comes back here again, she is able to see her mother alive and active. तो ये पोएम में बहुत ज़्यादा फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच तो नहीं यूज़ किए गए हैं, बट सिमिली हमें देखने को मिलता है जहाँ पर कंपेयर किया गया है, लाइक और एज की हेल्प से कंपेयर किया गया है. एशन लाइक दैट ऑफ अ कॉप्स सिमिली है. I looked at her again as a late winter's moon. Late winter's moon कैसा होता है? धुंधला होता है, foggy होता है, क्लियर नहीं होता है, ब्लर होता है, कभी आता है कभी चला जाता है. तो उसकी प्रेजेंस भी कॉन्क्रीट नहीं होती है, प्रेजेंस पर्टिकुलर नहीं होती है. So late winter times are taken to be the sad times of one's life, and that is why comparing her mothers to a late winter's moon denotes the very fact that her presence, her future presence is as foggy as a late winter's moon is. And comparing her mother to a corpse conveys the same ideas. This was my analysis of the poem My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das, especially for my 12th class fraternity. क्विकली अपने चैप्टर्स को रिवाइज करेंगे, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स करेंगे, हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स में रॉक करेंगे, अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर के आएंगे. इफ यू लाइक द वे आई टीच, प्लीज स्प्रेड दिस वीडियो अमंग्स योर फ्रेटर्निटी, अमंग्स योर फ्रेंड सर्कल, योर पीयर ग्रुप. इसी तरीके से हम अपने 12th के सिलेबस को कवर करने वाले हैं और तरीका समझेंगे बोर्ड में कैसे लिखना है. मेरे चैनल पर ऑलरेडी वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं लास्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, पर इस बार 2025 की फ्रेटर्निटी के लिए जो 2026 में बोर्ड में बैठेगी, आई एम हेयर वंस अगेन विद फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, एंथुजियाज्म. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. My Mother at 66 is now. The analysis of the poem is done from my side. We will talk about the major questions in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, spread the word. Have a nice day.